Why don't you let them hear how rowdy the old ramrod is? Yeah, just a little. Me and Padre are gonna scrap this van today. It's full of boxes. It's pretty messed up. You got lucky. Don't worry, it'll come off when you push it on the trailer. But it's full of boxes, and the only sensible thing to do with boxes is burn them. Wouldn't want to pay to dump them or anything crazy like that. All right, we got the van cleaned out because my dad's a hoarder. He had to keep that awesome Briggs & Stratton, some all thread, and these bolts with a shoulder longer than his pecker that he'll never use. But that's okay, right? Completely. You can. That's logical.
Bolts for sale.
Got the gas tank out. We're gonna drag that away before we do this little activity right here, this little number, you know, jack it up and spray it in there and then get it back on the bead. So we'll see what's going on with that. The bottle jack's complete garbage and done lifting for now. It's not quite off the ground. This will be a new endeavor to see if it works with it not off the ground. Don't hold that. Hold it on the top. Look, you can see on the back where you can aim. No, because I'll just spray it. See that? Yeah, you're covering the microphone with your left. Yeah. Gotta get that good stuff in, you know. We don't have any half-ass viewers or subscribers.
Oh, you don't need that, you stupid son of a bitch.
I'm not fucking putting my face there with it. You see? Friggin' puss. We've never seen a tire do. I don't know if this, can you see it? It's suckled in on the top there. I don't know what's going on with that. Look at what's really going on there. That's weird.
Danger.
Yeah. All right, well, at least it's on the bead. Maybe it'll take some air, just enough to get it on the trailer. That's all we need. Well, we're trying to get this brass and copper radiator out, and I just got one bolt that's a little, you know, in a tough spot, so I'm gonna have Dad pull just ever so slightly the core support out. Dad, go ahead and give it a little pressure so I can get that last bolt out. Yeah, just a little. That plastic grill just hit me and hurt like shit. That yeah, I think you got it. We should have pretty good access there. This next clip, yeah, go! This next clip should be mildly entertaining. Padre's pulling me up the hill because Sugar Puss is still broke down. Oh, we're getting hella speed. Hold on, I need 2 hands. Maybe not. It's under control. But good. We're going off kilter. But Padre's gonna push. We're gonna have the trailer at the toe of the hill, and hopefully we can right onto the trailer. But hope for the best, expect the worst. Look, bet Dad $5 that he'd lose his tag today. That looks good. You might as well just throw that in the next scrap load. You know you'll never put it back on. Well, it didn't go completely flawless. We got tire on tire because somebody had to take this top plate off because they haul stuff that's stupid heavy and the tires rub the plate. So we'll pull it back a little bit. This yard we're going to is really close. That takes cars, and they just unload it with a forklift. It's nothing exciting, so I don't know if I'll even video it. I might try, but it's just load it up, chain down, chain and binders because it's a junker, and that's about it. See what we get. It's got to weigh at least 5,000 pounds, right? That's it. That's all you get. No squishy, no mashy. All right, a very generic ticket. 20,000 pounds even on the inbound weight, 14,860. Came out to be 5,140 pounds for 360. Charged us $5 a piece for tires, so got 340 total. Now we kind of need to use this trailer. We've got this retardedly heavy boiler on it. Look at that, ridiculously heavy, good size. But we're not going to jerk this, jerk this off. We're not going to yank this off the trailer. Go ahead, easy with your brain. Okay, that's destroying the trailer. Let's try that again. All right, we got the Rowdy Ram hooked up to the scrap load here. Might be a ton on it. We'll see how she takes it. Why don't you let them hear how rowdy the old ramrod is. That thing on the trailer there, me and Padre, you know, we had a really good idea that'd be a good video experience. And then we get into it and we get frustrated and things don't go as planned because it doesn't run. It's a pile of POS Ford, but it's on there. Looks kind of dwarfs that. I don't think it's all that heavy. I mean, probably 9,500 pounds. I don't think it's a solid 10, but it might be. We'll see. I stuffed the cab full of scrap, but this does not have the 5.9 in it like my septic truck, which you guys probably haven't seen yet, but we have footage of it. It's got that old, they call it a Brazilian 6-cylinder, but I think Ford makes it. It does, but supposedly it's completely useless and gutless. It had a nice brass and copper radiator. We extracted that with care, and then I'm skinning my way through here. Okay, we picked up some stuff from the typical spots this morning and went ahead and filled her up. Bunch of coilovers, mufflers, garbage, junk, keys in it. Driving home, must have came from an auction because it has that cable on it. But anyway, that's that. We'll see what she brings, and yeah, it looks really good on that trailer. If the man is out, I'm going to be getting a full anal probing without a doubt. Look at that handsome truck, boy. These model year Fords do look good. Let's see if we can capture a thumbnail. It's recording. Just stay like where you get some good clutching, because I'm going to have to pull out the front. The screen's going to go black. Get a good shot.
Black right as he swung across there.
No, it's fine, it will.
Still recording?
Yeah. That's it. Alrighty, so today is a new day, and I forgot that I didn't give you this total from yesterday with the Rowdy Ram scrap load. 1,700 pounds even, $145. And then the truck you just saw was $10 per 100, which is extremely good. 1,096 bucks. Tires, 6 tires, 60 bucks, $10 a piece, for a grand total of 1,036 bucks for that truck. That was friggin' sweet. Now the Rowdy Ram's hooked up to another trailer load of garbage, just straight tin, nothing special. AC stuff. We did leave them in just because we were in a little bit of a rush, but this thing here with the coil on it won't go, and that little squirrel cage won't go. But just the normal suspects, nothing exciting. And then we're going to turn in some wire. This yard pays better for wire than, I guess he's getting ready to run me over. Pays better for wire than the yard I normally go to. So that's that. We'll see what this gets. Alrighty, so the lighting sucks, but we're at Charlie's residence. That load of tin on the trailer you just saw was 1,720 pounds for a grand total of 146. And then all that insulated wire in the van we had, number 2 insulated wire, 389 pounds for 583. A little bit of Romex that we had, and that was $33 for a grand total of $617 for the wire. So that's that. That'll conclude this video, and we're uploading it now. Go ahead. Charlie's pissy. Go ahead.
I'm a little pissy.
Go ahead. What's that up there in the middle? Think they can zoom in and see that?
It's saving.
Oh, it's sitting there sweating on your wood.
But hey Brian, how you doing?